kalsada.
It's UAE flag.
We're making structure ng building.
Oh, nasa UAE tayo ulit na. May mga flag ng UAE. Baka yung kabila dyan na UAE. Nasa UAE ka.
Ayun, kabilang bundok kay Umana.
Oo.
May parting Oman, may parting ano. This one nga, Al Nahwa Park.
Should go right or next right? No, park is front.
We are very near to the border. Si inuubo na naman tong aking alaga.
Lamig init.
Oh, Sharjah ko. Oh.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, Bill.
Pagka.
Kayo magdadasal na to. Joke lang.
What these fire cars doing here? Oman put flag.
Ayun, we are now in Oman.
Ayun, flag na yan ng Oman ah.
Touchdown, Oman!
Ayan. Bandila
Ano?
na nga. Okay, bandila.
Oo.
Ayan, yung bandila na ng Oman. Pinatuloy din kayo sa Oman.
Patay tayo. Paso tayo dito. Walang visa.
Paano pag ano tayo dito, nahuli?
Naku, ayun na, Ahmed. Oh,
Wala tayong visa. Pare-parehas tayong ano.
patay tayo.
Nasaan kaya yung ano? Hinahanap tayo, ano?
It will be mushkil, Ahmed, or no?
Why?
Yun, also Pakistani.
Because we don't have passport.
Lahat dyan, may mga Pakistan, ano? Ayan, ang ganda ng ano, bundok.
The ID only enough.
ID only here?
No border. This all UAE. Yani, yeah, Oman, but no border for it. See, there is people now. Like, that's a
Yeah.
park here.
Ayun, there's water.
Kung may tubig, may Pakistan. Ayan, ang ano, malamig siguro yung tubig na yun.
Doon, pwede kumain.
Oh. Ako, inaalto ko na. Hindi ko na alam kung sa tayo dinala na rin. Inayupak na rin.
Kala ko nasa distance sa Google ang pupunta na.
Akala ko magbabayad na tayo ng 5 dirham doon eh. Ah, talaga.
Leak water to.
Galing sa tubig. Pwede yan inumin. Pagka,
Oh!
Hindi ko siya. Leak. Yeah.
We will not stop till the end of the road.
Maybe Hormuz at the end.
If we into the border, I will tell the border that he doesn't have petrol. We will enter Oman to get the
Petrol and come back.
petrol and come back. Then he will say, no, we need collateral. Who I will,
My break will be kawawa now.
who I will take as collateral? Kuya, Jazz, ate. Ayun! Sige, sige, doon tayo. Down.
May Karayan, no?
Sige, sige. What happened?
Think there.
Siguro sabi ni Kuya nakasama pa eh. Mga wala pa lang pupuntahan.
That jump from here.
Kumakain ng water.
Ayun. But I think there's a crocodile there.
Magtitibay natin, no? Walang uminom sa atin.
In Philippines, there is a crocodile, huh?
Oo.
Yeah, wala din government.
Ganda government.
What government?
The government is the crocodile.
Fish yan.
Ah, this one,
Government fish
see?
yan.
Oh, finally you reach.
Uy, ang ganda, oh.
Maganda.
It's Oman.
Karayan.
This is the Strait of Hormuz. Inside sa?
Ayan, oh.
Yeah?
San Juanico Bridge.
What's it there?
I can't go there. Only for view.
Only picture.
Yeah.
No touch.
Mia.
But you can go there, no? There's ano. But how to go there? I don't know. Ah, you get angry with you.
Go left,
Oo.
not straight.
Ay, they go all left eh.
Maybe straight more.
Here, here.
Huh? The guy go straight.
He's not marunong. We are the marunong.
No, that's
That's cottage, huh?
Huh? We should go left. You can eat here, Ridley.
Sa?
You want?
No, I cannot take picture if I'm hungry.
Nothing to see. Maybe they are not allowed. What is that?
Internet.
Wala.
Wala. Pag naka-roaming ka, kailangan may local data ka. Naka-register ka na international data.
Hindi, meron naman ako ng kasama nito. Unlimited data. May kasama siyang 2 GB.
Sa UAE lang.
What is
Hindi,
that?
Roman siya. Hindi siya. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
For
Hindi ko
rent.
nakasama.
For rent.
Parang ano po. Local
Ah, you
SIM.
will go there.
A lot of cars also.
May
huh?
bahay sa baba.
God. That's Ahmed, don't you?
Nothing to see, huh?
Then you will pay 20 dirham for nothing. Then we will go also.
Because a lot
Oh,
of
it's
people.
crowded.
It's crowded.
Crowded na. Ang daming tao, oh.
You need to pay 20. I will ask. My dear,
Wait, tell him.
ano what we will tell them?
Hindi siya taga dito, sis. Gold Shield bike.
No, I think we will go U-turn only.
I think very too